Good afternoon, everybody. Our distinguished guests from the government of Macau, of course, Mr. Coutinho, and now the singer-actress, let me call it the singer and actress, multi-talented Miss Rita Gomez. And of course, the father of Filipino in Macau, our Consul General Jaime G. Leda, and his wife. Of course, the organizers, the officers and organizers of these payas. I think today we have proven once more that Filipinos can be united in a common cause. And this is, we have proven this also in the past. You have done this in Sinulog last January. We have done this today. And I think we will also do this during our celebration of National Independence Day on June 12 and June 14. So, to all of you, I wish to thank everyone for gracing this occasion. And let us just remember always the homily of in the church this morning, that we Filipinos really can sacrifice, and we sacrifice under the heat of the sun, and we sacrifice to attend this event, and also because of our love to each other and our ability to organize an event for the common good and for the healthy relationship between our government and that of Macau. Ms. Rita is correct. We are now a part, and we welcome this to be a part of the Macau community. So thank you for that. Sa aking mga kababayan, ipagpatuloy natin ang ginagawa natin itong promotion ng ating kultura. Kailangan din ay maipakita natin sa ating mga kasamahan dito sa Macau na tayong mga Pilipino ay may unique na kultura na maaaring may pagmalaki. Kaya nga, ang mga Pilipino ay masasabi natin magiting, masipag, at magagaling. Mabuhay ang mga Pilipino. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.
Maraming salamat po, sir. Thank you very much. Labor Attaché Paul De Jesus.
Chiquita, besita, para esta chacha bonita, loquita, cuánto amor, chiquita, Rosita, eres todo del amor, chiquita.
Chiquita es una chica
chiquita, tranquilo, cha cha cha, chiquita, bonita, wow, chiquita, esta chacha bonita,
Meron ba kayo yan?
chiquita, Rosita, eres amor,
Everybody dance!
chiquita, chiquita, cuando tú te mueves bonita, cuánto amor, chiquita. Eres amor de la
Rita, on the stage! Next dance! Rita! Woo! Thank you so much for all your...
Yahoo!
Okay? Music please!
Fresita,
Everybody! Applause to the dancers!
cuánto amor, chiquita, Rosita, eres amor del amor,
Yes.
chiquita.
Wow, wow! Tempo! Wow! Yes!
Quiero una chica, quiero chiquita, chiquita, la bonita, quiero
Sway, sway!
cha cha cha, chiquita,
Wow!
chiquita.
Oh, wow, wow!
Quiero una chica, chiquita, bonita, que lo quita la cosa. Cha cha cha, chiquita, baila cha cha cha, chiquita. Chiquita es una chica muy bonita, siempre chiquita.
Come on, boy! Finish it here! Show them how you dance! Come on!
Hoy chiquita del amor,
Come on!
chiquita es una chica muy caliente.
Wow!
Ella es más fuerte que el aguardiente. Muchos chachos lo que quieren fuertemente.
Come on, dance!
Hoy chiquita
Come
que
on!
calor.
Yeah!
Hi guys, look into her eyes. She dances all the night and she feels alright. Bye bye, cha 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 is life. Chiquita, tranquilo, cha cha cha. Chiquita, bonita, cuánto amor, chiquita. Para esta chacha bonita, cuánto amor, chiquita.
Wow, wow!
Eres amor del amor. Qué calor, chiquita. Cuando tú te mueves bonita. Amor, chiquita. Eres amor del amor. Chiquita es una chica muy bonita, y los ojos miran cerca. Chiquita, chiquita es una chica muy caliente, muy chiquita, qué calor.
Wow! Yes! Down, 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 down!
Chiquita, qué dolor.
One more!
Hi guys, look into her eyes. She dances all the night and she feels alright. Bye bye, cha 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 is life.
At mapasayaw natin ang Congo General. Sinusunod pa Santos. Mga nagigis na ito. Ang mga chichino.
Para esta chica bonita, cuánto amor, chiquita. Eres amor del amor.
Everyone, one more time!